Hi, boys and girls. Miss Cindy from the Swansea Branch Library is here to read you some more stories and sing you some more songs. And we're going to do a nursery rhyme today, too. Okay, you ready to get started? Well, then, if you are, let's do our hello song, shall we? Let's sing hello together. Hello, hello, hello. Let's sing hello together. Hello, hello, hello. Let's clap hello together. Hello, hello, hello. Let's clap hello together. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, by the way, this is a sign language sign from the American Sign Language people that says hello. Put your hand up like that and just say hello. Pretty interesting, isn't it? Okay, you ready for our nursery rhyme? Last time I did a story time for you, I did Hey Diddle Diddle, and we're going to do that again because I'd like for you to memorize this for me. Could you do that? All right. Look, a nice grassy field, a beautiful night sky, and a moon. And we're getting ready to do Hey Diddle Diddle. Okay. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, and the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such a sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, and the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such a sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. I wonder why a dish is running away with a spoon. If you know the answer to that, can you please let me know? Because I would love to know why a dish would run away with a spoon. But anyway, all right. You ready to sing some songs? I didn't hear you. You ready to sing some songs? Oh, I know who is. Mr. Monkey! He's in his hiding place. Should I ask him to come out? Yeah? Okay. Mr. Monkey, it's so good to see you. Oops, we're going to have to fix your mask. It's so good to see you. You want to sing some songs? Okay. Let's see. Your favorite is what? If you're happy and you know it. Do you know that one? Well, let's sing that one. You ready? Okay. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, and your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Woo! He's happy. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. If you're happy and you know it, and your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Mr. Monkey's precious to me. Oh, you ready to do another song? Yeah, are you ready? Okay. All right, here we go. Do you remember The More We Get Together? I like that song because I am so happy that you're here with me today. The more we get together, together, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. Where your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Are you ready for stories now? My Garden was written by Kevin Henkes, and guess what? I believe he drew the pictures too. And my title page says that thanks to HarperCollins for letting me read this book to you today. That's pretty flowers, isn't it? I think so too. Do you have a garden at home? Does Mom and Dad have a flower garden, a vegetable garden? Hope so. My dedication page right here. That's something new I haven't shared with you. But the author dedicates the book to someone special. And this person was named Altie. He wrote the book especially for someone named Altie. Isn't that pretty neat? My mother has a garden. I'm her helper. I water, I weed, and I chase away the rabbits so that they don't eat all the lettuce. It's hard work, and my mother's garden is very nice. But if I had a garden, have you ever thought about your own garden? There would be no weeds, and the flowers would keep blooming and never die. Pretty. In my garden, the flowers could change color just by thinking about it. Pink, blue, green, purple, even patterns. Ooh, I like this garden. And if you pick flower, another one would grow right back in its place. Now, I like that kind of garden. That's a nice garden to me. In my garden, the rabbits wouldn't eat the lettuce because the rabbits would be chocolate and I would eat them. Oh, sounds like a pretty good garden to me too. Rabbits, I love chocolate. Chocolate rabbits, sounds good. If I planted seashells, I'd grow seashells. If I planted jelly beans, I'd grow a great big jelly bean bush. Ooh. Wow, that's a good idea. Sometimes in my garden, good, unusual things would just pop up. Buttons and umbrellas and rusty old keys. Ooh. In my garden, there would be birds and butterflies by the hundreds, so that air was humming with wings. Ooh, wow. Look at all those birds. Ooh. The tomatoes would be as big as beach balls, and the carrots would be invisible because I don't like carrots. At night, the morning glories would stay open, shining like stars, and the strawberries would glow like lanterns. Wow. It's night now. Only the fireflies and the porch light are glowing. Before bed, I take one seashell from the shelf in my room and go to the garden. I poke the seashell into the ground. Who knows what might happen? I cover it up with dirt and pat down the dirt with my foot. What are you doing? Asked my mother. Oh, nothing, I say. Just working in the garden. Did you like that? You thinking about growing your own garden? Wonder if you plant a seashell or a button, would it grow? I don't know. You ready for the second book? Here we go. If you plant a seed. Oh, look at that rabbit. He's huge. My title page says, If You Plant a Seed was written by Kadir Nelson. And guess what? He painted the pictures. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, let's get started. If you plant a tomato seed, a carrot seed, and a cabbage seed, in time, with love and care, tomato, carrot, and cabbage plants will grow. Ooh, I know somebody's getting excited about the carrots and the tomatoes. And cabbage is my favorite. How about you? Oh, wow. Look, I think the birds want some, don't they? I think they really want some vegetables, don't you? If you plant a seed of selfishness, this is a different kind of garden. In a very short time, ooh, do they look happy? It will grow and grow and grow. Ooh, that does not look happy. Into a heap, of trouble. My goodness, look at that. But if you plant a seed of kindness, in almost no time at all, the fruits of kindness, look at that. Will grow and grow and grow. Everybody's sharing. That's neat. Wow, look at that garden. All it took was sharing and being kind. And look how big that garden is now. Pretty cool, huh? Did you like that story? Let me know, please. I would love some comments from you if you liked it. Oh, I have something to share with you. This is my herb garden. This is basil, and I'm going to plant it in my garden and watch it grow. Do you have a garden? It could be a flower garden. It could be an herb garden, a vegetable garden. I wonder. Let me know what kind of garden you'd like to grow. Now it's time to say goodbye, but thank you for letting me come in your home today. I've enjoyed sharing my stories and songs with you. So let's do our goodbye poem, okay? One little finger standing all alone. Two little fingers. No, they're not alone. Three little fingers as happy as can be. Four little fingers. Now wiggle them for me. Five little fingers. This one is the thumb. Wave bye-bye, because now we're done. Thank you.